Welcome to the HAL APS channel. Here we present content about probably the best advanced production scheduling system in the world. HAL APS is characterized by modernity, high work ergonomics, ultra efficiency, seamless integration with ERP, MES, CMMS software thanks to the built-in API. HAL APS uses deterministic, heuristic algorithms and elements of artificial intelligence. This solution provides a breakthrough in the field of production scheduling. It supports discrete, process, continuous, project, unit, serial, just-in-time production. It is focused on handling production variability and disruptions in the supply chain. At the same time, in one step, HAL APS balances material needs, MRP, EDMRP, and production capacities. Resources can be not only machines and people, but also tools, equipment, control and measurement equipment, means of transport, autonomous trucks, drones, subcontractor resources, external employees from employment agencies, etc. There are no limits on the number of resources involved in a single technological operation. HAL APS can optimize the number of resources needed to perform a technological operation. It can promote more efficient resources, producing fewer defects, working at a lower cost, with a smaller carbon footprint. A very strong point is the ability to optimally plan work on input resources and calculate the input. HAL is multi-user, multi-plant. HAL does not generate exception messages as is the case in ERP systems. The first time it provides the best possible result, schedule. In the scheduling process, HAL relieves the planner because it makes decisions independently. Thanks to such effective algorithms, the potential of the factory can be increased by better using the current own and external resources. Our goal is to provide a planning solution that allows you to increase revenues and profits, meet deadlines, and reduce inventory levels in each factory regardless of the production model. For more information on HAL APS, including our list pricing, please visit the HAL APS webpage. If you're looking to learn more about using HAL APS, our YouTube channel offers a vast selection of tutorial videos.